Hello guys, for our recipe for today, I'm going to show you how to make a prawn chicken and a sausage jambalaya. And for our ingredients, we need a chicken, we need prawn, we need some chopped celery, we need some chorizo and sausage, and the garlic and onion. First, we're going to fry the chicken. Fry them until golden brown, and on the other side I'm going to boil the head of the prawn to make a stock. And once the chicken are almost done, we can put together the sausage, the fresh sausage. Saute them well until the juice run dry, and then mix with some paprika, some dried oregano, and our dried mixed herbs. Saute them well, and now we can put together the dried chorizo. Once done, we can set aside, and we will start to do the onion and the garlic. Fry them well and mix our the chopped celery, let's put the chopped tomato sauce, 1 can of chopped tomato sauce, and then mix with the prawn, the broth that we made earlier. Let it boil. And then we can mix our paprika, the dried oregano, and the dried mixed herbs. And you can season it with salt and pepper, of course. And once boiled, put the rice and the bay leaf. I use mixed rice. Any kind of rice are okay, but I use mixed rice. And then mix them well, and we can put all the meat inside. Have a good stir, and then once mixed, we can put it on our baking dish. And our prawn, we can put it later. Now we can start to bake it to 190 degrees for 50 to 1 hour. And then we will start to do our prawn. Fry a little bit with some spring onion and some parsley. And now our jambalaya is almost done. Then we can mix our prawn on top. And then put a little bit on the oven for like 5 minutes. And now our jambalaya is ready.